Sight words refers to the set of words that keeps reappearing on almost any page of text. Sight words are critical to reading not only because they are used so frequently, but also because many of them cannot be easily sounded or illustrated. Because they are used so often, it is important that readers be able to recognize these words on sight. Hence, the term is sight words. Here is the first set of sight words. Listen as I read and spell each word. A, is, is, it, it, I, in, in, to, to, he, he, off, off, the, the, end, end. I will read again the words. A, is, it, I, in, to, he, off, the, end. This time, Pia will read the words.
A, is, it, I, in, to, he, off, the, end.
Now your turn. Read as you see the word. The words now are arranged in different order. Read as you see each word. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share. To notify you for more tutorial videos, just click the bell button.